In this video, I'll show you how you can put your OnePlus Watch 4 into silent mode. Now all you have to do is from the watch face, simply swipe down to access the control center and then find this icon which is denoted by a bell. And you can see by default it's blue, which is indicating that this is not in silent mode. Now to put it into silent mode, simply tap on that icon and you should see the ring mode off, indicating that you have placed your OnePlus Watch 4 into silent mode. Okay. Now another way you can do this is by simply going to settings. So swipe down again to the control center and tap on the settings wheel icon at the bottom right corner. And then from here, scroll down and find sounds and vibration. Tap on it. And the first option should be mute, ring, and notifications. If to enable silent mode, simply ensure that you enable this option. Additionally, you can enable the vibration so that even if the watch is in silent mode, you can feel a vibration whenever your watch is ringing or you receive an incoming notification. So you can tap on vibration and ensure that vibration and haptics has been enabled. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next one.